Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial.
Today we will create a mega menu using Beaver Builder without the need for any plugins. Additionally, we'll design another mega menu, keeping it equally simple. Let's get started. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and select the page where you'd like to edit the mega menu. Then click on Beaver Builder to launch the editor. So here we'll add a single column in the row section and adjust its width to full width where we intend to insert the mega menu elements. So now let's add mega menu elements. Click the plus or add icon and select the menu element. Drag and drop the menu into the container. Next, let's adjust the placement of the menu in the container. We will place it on the right side, similar to the usual header. Just explore Beaver Builder, and you'll be amazed at how easy it is to use. As you can see, the menu categories do not display the mega menu or any sub-items. So now let's go to Appearance Menus. You can create a new menu or select an existing one to edit. Ensure that this menu will be used as your site's primary navigation. Then, let's create sub-items for the vehicles. Let's go to the Customize under Appearance and create a new menu.
Hey, we've got a quick favor to ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel and these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you.
After adding the menu items, click Publish. So now go back to the menu under the Appearance tab. Here are the newly created menu sub-items. Click Save Menu to ensure it is saved and will appear in the header menu. Back to the main page. Here's the mega menu. If you want to widen the container for the mega menu items, let's implement the CSS class. Go back to the menus and click on Screen Options at the top. When you click on CSS classes, the CSS classes optional will appear below. Assign the CSS class to a mega dash menu. Back to the main page to check if it works. So yeah, here it works. Just make any necessary adjustments to ensure that it works seamlessly with your site's design and navigation. Beaver Builder offers a wide array of design options and styles to suit your website's needs. Experiment with its features to seamlessly integrate your site's design and navigation.
Okay, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And these videos take a lot of time, so if you do appreciate the content, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so we can reach more people. Thank you. And if you have any comments or questions, leave in the section below and we will get to them as soon as we can. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.